looking at this, there's no way to know off the top of our heads that it's going to be definitely a circle. But I do see an x squared plus a y squared, so that's a pretty strong indication that it might be a circle. And we need to get this to look like what we had earlier, where we have in the form where it's going to be x minus some number squared plus y minus some number squared equal to that radius squared. And we're going to start this off then by going ahead and getting that constant, that 20, to the left side of the equation, and then we'll do the completing the square business. So my next thing I'm going to actually write down is I'm going to collect the x squared, the x terms together. I'm going to say x squared, come on, plus 4x, I'm going to put a big plus blank, plus y squared, plus 10y, plus another blank, and then this 20, I'm going to move that to this side, so it'll be a negative 20 over here, equals negative 20, and then I'm going to want to, if I put a blank in here, I'm going to want to put a number over here for that. If I put a number here, I'm going to want to put a number on this side for that to keep everything balanced. And now we're going back to our skills from completing the square way back earlier in the year. I don't remember what unit was it. It was maybe unit 3 somewhere. We're going to take half of this value and square that. So half of 4 is 2, and if I square 2, I'm back to 4. So I'll put a 4 here, and I'll put a 4 here. And that's going to allow me to take this portion of this side of the equation and rewrite it as x plus whatever half of this thing is squared. Then I'm going to look at this thing. I want to put a number in here so that I can do that similar type of write this as a binomial squared. So I'm going to take half of this 10, which is 5 of course. Squaring that will give me 25. So I'll put a 25 here, and I'll balance that out by putting that on the other side. And then this can be rewritten as y, whatever half of this is, plus 5 squared. Then on this side of the equation, we're going to go ahead and combine these terms. Negative 20 plus 4 plus 25 is a positive 9. And now I know a couple things. I know that this circle that would normally be centered at 0, 0 is going to shift 2 to the left, and it'll shift 5 down, because I want to figure out the value of x that makes this 0, and that's the shift, so that's negative 2 for the x value of the center. The value of y that makes this 0 is negative 5, so that'll be my center. And then whatever I square to get this, that's the radius, so the radius is going to equal 3. And then as far as Alex is concerned, I'll find that negative 2, negative 5 point. And then from this center, which is actually not part of the graph, right? It's not part of the circle. It's a characteristic of the circle, but it's not on the circle. From that center, I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, over 1, 2, 3, and then left 1, 2, 3, and then go ahead and draw that circle in there. Good luck with these.